This is a brain death patient. In the brain death patient, it is difficult to tell to the relatives that patient has got the brain death because patient is on the ventilator and other vital organs are functioning. But ventilator makes lungs to breathe and other vital organs like patient can urinate, the patient feels like sleeping. So you will feel that the patient is alive. But brain got death means the person got death. So there is no chance of the recovery now because other vital organs are functioning but it's of no use because the brain got death. If the other vital organs are functioning but it's of no use because the brain got death means the person got death. Now there is no recovery. No recovery is possible. That is why we call it as a brain death. But yes, brain got death means you can donate your organs of the brain dead person. How you can donate your organs, how cross matching of the organs is done. If you want to know, link is in description. As well as if you want to know about the transgenders, how transgenders are born, link is in description. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get a daily update. And brain death means you are the luckiest person in the world because not every person is having the brain death because of the accident, because of any severe injury. The brain got damaged and the brain is getting death. Mostly it's because of the accident only the brain is got death. But one of the luckiest person will be having the brain death. Not every person is having the brain death. So if the person got the brain death means he is the one of the luckiest person. Because the person can donate the whole organs. The person can donate the whole body to the other people